Did you know that only 6% of companies survive longer than 2 years after data loss? Your business must be prepared. Today, we are going to talk about the Cloudsfer backup solution and what it's all about. Cloudsfer is a cloud-to-cloud backup solution. It will routinely make copies of your cloud files to your preferred cloud platform or local file system. Struggling with large-scale data management? Our automated process handles large-scale data, ensuring efficient backups. Worried about data security? Cloudsfer Backup has a unique bring-your-own-storage architecture to ensure maximum ownership and security. Cloudsfer does not process or store any information. Think human errors and accidental data deletions can't happen to your business? Think again. While most cloud providers delete recycled bin content after 30 days, Cloudsfer allows you to keep deleted files accessible for a lifetime. Would you like to know about harmful files in your data? Our smart system detects encrypted content, alerts administrators, and prevents the backup of harmful files, safeguarding sensitive information and minimizing data breaches. Choose Cloudsfer for an automated, secure, and scalable backup solution. Protect your data before it is lost. Start securing your cloud data today.